Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're breaking down how long different fences last and what you can do to extend their lifespan. Let's dive in. Not all fences are created equal, and their lifespan depends on the materials you choose. So, how long can you expect each type to last? Wood fences, while beautiful, need regular care. With proper maintenance, like staining and sealing, a wood fence can last between 15 and 20 years. Neglect it, and you're looking at closer to 7 to 10 years. Vinyl fences, on the other hand, can last 20 to 30 years with minimal upkeep. No need to paint or stain, just a good clean every now and then to keep it looking sharp. Metal fences, like aluminum or wrought iron, are incredibly durable. With the right coatings to prevent rust, these fences can last 50 years or more, making them a great long-term option. Chain link fences are affordable and durable, typically lasting 20 to 30 years. And with galvanized steel, they're rust-resistant, adding extra longevity. No matter the material, regular maintenance is key to extending your fence's lifespan. Clean it, apply protective coatings, and make small repairs to keep your fence standing strong for years. So, how long will your fence last? It all depends on your choice of material and how well you maintain it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.